Here's a very short video on how you can connect your Namecheap domain to your Vercel project. We're going to click Domains on the left sidebar of Vercel. We're going to click Add Existing, enter our domain name, and click Save. This will automatically say Invalid Configuration. Here's how we're going to fix it. We're going to go into Namecheap, click Account and Dashboard. We're going to click Domain Lists, and then click Manage on the domain that matches what you put in Vercel. Here we're going to click into Advanced DNS, add a new record, and we're going to start filling in the exact records that Vercel gave us. So I'm going to flip back to the Vercel page. This is an A type record, name is @ and then the value is this. We're going to do A record, host is @ and then value this. And then add a new record, go back, CNAME, so select CNAME. Put the name in there, and then put the targets in there. Save all changes when you're done. Should be good to go. We'll flip back to Vercel, and we'll click refresh. But this might take a couple of minutes after the update. So keep that in mind. You might have to wait a couple minutes before being able to successfully refresh. There you go. After about a minute and a half, it starts saying generating SSL certificate. I'll click refresh on the second domain as well. And boom, it says valid configuration. And there we go, we have valid configuration on the first one too. Now you can test it by going to your domain, and it should have your deployed Vercel website. Hope that was helpful, and see you next time.